Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Kamboj and I work as a solutions engineer at Nutrient. Today we are going to explore how legal professionals can streamline their document signing workflows while maintaining the security, compliance, and professional standards that legal practice demands. Picture this. It's Friday afternoon and your client needs to finalize a merger agreement before Monday's board meeting. You have got multiple parties who needs to sign: the client, opposing counsel, financial advisors, and board members. The traditional approach: a mess of emails, version confusion, and crossing your fingers that everyone signs the right document in the right spot. I want to show you how legal teams are transforming their document signing work processes while keeping the professional standards and security that legal work demands. Whether you are working on M&A deals, employment contracts, or client agreements, getting signatures is a crucial part of what you do. The challenge is finding workflows that keep clients happy, meet compliance requirements, and handle complex multi party situations without things falling apart. What if you manage the entire signing process with the professionalism your clients expect and the security your practice needs? Let me show you what document signing usually looks like in legal work today. You are handling a complex deal with multiple parties. Your client gets one email with the contract, opposing counsel receives a different version, the financial advisor needs to review certain sections, and board members have to approve and sign various parts. The headache starts immediately. Is everyone looking at the same document? Which version has the most recent changes? Did someone accidentally sign an old draft? Clients expect a smooth, polished experience that shows your firm's quality. Messy processes hurts those relationships. Attorney-client privilege, confidentiality rules, and regulations mean you need tight control over how sensitive documents are handled. Legal documents often need specific signing sequences. Client signs for the board approval, the opposing counsel. Tracking these steps manually leads to mistakes. You need clear records of who accessed what, when signatures happened, and what changed. For court cases or regulatory reviews, these details matter. Legal work requires precision, professionalism, and security. Your document process should match those standards. What if you could create professional document signing workflows that meet legal standards while keeping complete control over everything? With Nutrient, firms can build exactly what they need running entirely in their own space. Design workflows that perfectly reflect your firm's branding, language, and processes. Every button, screen, and interaction shaped to your fit your style. Everything operates within your own infrastructure. No outside dependencies, complete ownership, meeting the toughest attorney client standards. Electronic signatures, digital signatures, multi party workflows, record keeping. Implement exactly what your practice needs and tailor how each feature behaves. Version tracking that follows your procedures, record keeping that matches your compliance needs, user access that mirrors your team structure, connections with your existing practice management tools. Set up signing sequences, approval steps, and business rules that match exactly how your firm operates. This demo shows one way to do it, but the real strength is in how flexible everything is. Every piece can be adjusted to fit your specific needs. Let me walk through this example and show you the possibilities. Let me walk you through a complex legal scenario: an acquisition agreement that needs multiple approvals and signatures. Notice we are working in a secure professional environment designed for legal workflows. I've uploaded our acquisition agreement. Now I need to set up the signing workflow for all parties involved in these transactions. Each person gets their own color. This is essential for complex legal documents where different people sign different sections. Notice how this keeps a professional look throughout, no external redirects that could compromise client confidentiality. Now, what you are seeing here is just one way to design this. With Nutrient, this entire interface could be completely reimagined to match your firm's exact needs. Custom colors that fit your branding, specific language that matches how you work, workflow steps that follow your established procedures, and connections that link with your existing systems exactly how you want them. Here's how we tackle the complexity of legal deals. Instead of hoping people know where to sign, I can clearly map out the approval and signature process. See the precision here. Each signature connects to specific sections and rules. In legal work, who signs what, when, and in what sequence is crucial for validity and enforceability. I can also set up signing sequences. The financial advisor must approve before the board chair can give final sign off. This prevents processes mistakes that could invalidate agreements. What really powerful here is how adaptable this is. This workflow could be shaped to match any firm structure, different approval chains, personalized business rules, specific validation needs. Smart routing based on document type or deal size. What you are seeing here is just one approach. Firms can create exactly the signing sequence and approval process that fits their established way of doing things, all running in their own secure space. Now let me show you the client experience. I am switching to Signer 1. Notice he gets a clean professional experience focused on his specific requirements. No complex editing tools that might confuse him, just a clear professional signing experience that maintains the firm's branding and standards. One click, he draws, type, or upload an image of his signature, and it's applied exactly where needed. This interface guides him through each required signature and initial, ensuring nothing is missed. This professional experience strengthens the client relationship rather than disrupting it with confusing external systems. Most importantly, throughout this whole process, you maintain complete control over the client experience and document security. What you are seeing here is one possible interface design, but firms can personalize every aspect of this experience. The client interface could be redesigned to match your firm's exact look. Use the specific legal language you prefer, include helpful guidance that reflects your training materials, and connect with your existing client portals or communication tools. All of this operates within your own infrastructure, meeting your specific security and branding needs. Now, I will sign as with other signers and then as signer 3. For this acquisition deal, I'm adding a cryptographic digital signatures that gives legally binding proof of document integrity and authenticity. This isn't just an electronic signature. This is evidence that courts will accept. Watch this. The digital signatures gets applied with full cryptographic validation. You can see the certificate validation status, the timestamp, and the integrity check, all proof you need for court cases or regulatory reviews. What's essential for legal practices? This entire processes happen within your own secure environment. Attorney-client privilege stays protected, confidentiality rules are met, and sensitive deal details never leave your control system. Here you can see basic record keeping, but this is just one way to handle tracking. With Nutrient, firms can build exactly the audit system that fits their specific needs. The tracking capabilities can be completely tailored, monitor exactly the data point your firm needs. Some firms might need detailed forensic trails, device tracking, and behavior analysis. Others might focus on regulatory compliance reporting. Some might want real-time monitoring dashboards that connects with their practice management systems. The audit approach shown here could be completely redesigned to capture exactly what your firm needs. Let's recap what this demo reveals about Nutrient's flexibility. Every interface, element, workflow step, and user interaction can be shaped to match your firm's needs exactly. All processing happens within your own infrastructure, complete data ownership, and security control. Connection points links within your existing system exactly how you want it. Signature workflows can be shaped to match any firm's approval process. Tracking systems can monitor exactly what your practice needs to monitor, formatted how you want it. User interfaces can reflect your specific branding, language, and procedural needs. Security setup can meet your firm's specific compliance and operational standards. Version tracking system that follows your established document management procedures, authentication connections that work within your existing firm systems. Workflow automation that mirrors how exactly your firm controls. The main advantage isn't just professional signing tools, it's the ability to create exactly what your practice needs, running entirely within your environment and tailored to your specific requirements and connected within your own existing systems. What you have seen here is just one example of what's possible. This demo shows only one way to handle professional signing workflows, but the real strength is in how flexible everything can be. Everyone can have different needs, branding standards, approval processes, compliance requirements, integration needs. With Nutrient, firms can create exactly what they need running entirely within their own space. From solo practitioners who want simple professional workflows to large firms handling complex multi-party deal management. The personalization possibilities we have talked about through this demo: interface design, workflow logic, tracking systems, security setups, and system connections. These show the true strength of creating with Nutrient. Ready to explore creating exactly what your firm needs? Learn more about Nutrient's flexibility by visiting nutrient.io. You will find the link in the description. Thank you for this demo and have a nice day.